Hey, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in, and in this video we're going to be replacing the headlights and the grille on my 2013 GX460. I'm going to be using the Unique Style Racing GX460 headlights as well as this TEQ Customs grille. Quick shout out to It's Just Brian for the used headlights and grille. So the original headlights on the GX have been really worn out, especially this passenger side. It's completely faded, and the grille has definitely seen some better days. So to start off, we're removing the foremost plastic trim cover that goes over the radiator. The grille will need to come out first, so we're removing these 10mm bolts, and there will be 4 of them. And now this next part might be the most difficult of this entire process, is undoing these clips that are at the bottom of the grille. The best technique is to get something slim to slide in between the grille and the bumper, and you'll undo the clips. Now this top part you need to lift and pull, and with a little force the grille will pop out. So here are the little clips at the bottom of the grille that you're going to be using your flathead screwdriver to pry up as you pull back on the grille a little bit. Next, you're going to want to release these 4 little trim clips that are on top of the bumper where the grille was. And now get your 10mm socket ready, because you're going to be undoing these 2 10mm bolts on the corner. And once those are removed, you're going to want to lift and pull on this little corner right here, and it's going to pop out, so be ready. Now at the bottom of the bumper, you're going to find 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each corner and then 2 in the middle. I was lucky enough that this truck only came with 2. Don't ask me why. And now with a little bit of force, the bumper will pry off. I found that if you pull towards the corner of the headlight, that's where you're going to find this little clip where the bumper pushes into, and it's best to pull from there. And now we can start on the headlight removal. There's going to be 10mm bolts at the very top of the headlight, 1 hidden behind this little plastic trim, and then 1 on the corner of the headlight, under where the bumper was. Once those 3 bolts are removed, you can go ahead and start jiggling the headlight out, and you're going to want to pull from the corner because there's a little clip behind there as well. I almost forgot to mention, you're going to want to remove this little plastic trim that's on the corner of the headlight. Once the headlights are out, we're going to swap over this clip that we have from the OEM headlight over to the aftermarket one. All you'll need to use for this is just a Phillips head screwdriver. Of course, I'm swapping over the LASFIT Pro Series LED bulbs. If you want to see a video on those bulbs, I'll put a link to the video. The Pro Series bulbs come with 2 fans, 1 on the actual bulb and then 1 on the dust cover. And now we can start with reassembly. It's simply reversing the process. To fit the front bumper back on, I found it best to start at one side and then working your way around. So I'm swapping my grille for the TEQ Customs grille. I really like the look of this grille. I know it's not a TRD, but it looks nice. Don't forget to swap over the rubber seal from the factory grille. You're just pushing these clips in with some pliers, and then you can go ahead and reapply it to the new grille. I forgot to replace the little styrofoam piece that goes behind the bumper. I don't think I need it. And now just remember, you tighten everything down with that 10mm socket and you're good to go. So what do you guys think? Well, let me know down in the comments what you think about the new grille and the new headlights. I'm really loving these headlights because of the blacked out surround, and the grille has a really nice touch with that Lexus spelled out. These grills are available with the Raptor light option, but I'm not a big fan of that because It's a Lexus, it's not a Raptor. But I know I lose out on some Overlander points without those Raptor lights. It definitely wasn't a difficult process. It was a lot more than I thought it was going to be. But again, it was pretty straightforward. So thanks again for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. And as always, thanks for watching.